Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between the OnePlus 5T and the Redmi Note 5 Pro. OnePlus 5T sports a Snapdragon 835 processor with Adreno 540 GPU. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. So guys, OnePlus 5T was 29 seconds faster than Redmi Note 5 Pro. That seems like a huge number, but most of it is because of the games. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. So guys, throughout the speed test, OnePlus 5T was noticeably faster than the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but the difference was usually few milliseconds or seconds at max. There isn't a huge difference. But still, in the speed test, obviously OnePlus 5T is the winner. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. If an app is out of memory, you will see a white screen for a second and then it'll open the application. By the way guys, I have the 6GB RAM variant of the OnePlus 5T and the 4GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I know it looks unfair, but even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these applications in memory. So let's see how they perform. In the memory management round, it's a tie. Both the phones kept almost all the applications in memory, and obviously OnePlus 5T did better, and if you add in more applications, OnePlus 5T will outperform Note 5 Pro. So in the memory management test, OnePlus 5T will be the winner in the long run, but in this particular test, you can say it's a tie. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.